Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a vision board on Pinterest. It's really easy and simple. Come here at the top right and click on your profile. And then here you'll see boards, right? You can come here and click on plus to create a new board. So I'll click on board. Now we'll name it, for example, Vision Board 2025 or whatever year it is. Okay? And you can go ahead and toggle this on if you want it to be private, but I'm okay with it being public, so I'll click on create. Now, you can go ahead and save some pins to your new board. For example, you can search up codes, you can search up your goals. Maybe you want to go ahead and travel the world, right? So you can go ahead and add things like these, right? If you want an academic success, you add whatever you are looking forward to this year as your vision. Okay, maybe you want to travel countries, instill confidence, learn skills, right? Make money. Can save these, can click on done, and then come back here. You'll see my vision board for 2025. Okay, and what you can go ahead and do is on this page, right? Come here and click on your profile. And then right here, I see my vision board for 2025. I can set actually a cover. So I click on edit and we'll do a board cover. Maybe you want this one, right? You can go ahead and set that as your board cover. Click on done. And there we go. We can add a description as well, right? Click on done for now, but you can do that if you would like. So that is my cover. Now, if I come back here, I can also organize this further, right? I can basically go ahead and select the pins I want to start it with. Okay, I can reorder. So for example, maybe you want the travel one to start first, right? The travel things. So you can come and do that and save it that way, right? And if we go back, you can also go ahead and do this, right? So go back and now you can also click on more ideas as well if you want to get more to add to your board. So for example, you can do this as well. You can add that to my board and you can create that as a cover. Now if I come click on organize, right, can make this as our cover. Now let's go back. And what you can also do, guys, is you can go ahead and create sections. So if I come click on organize and let's say choose this one, I can come and create a section, for example, travel. Okay. So we'll do a travel section. I'll click on add. And here we go. So we have a travel section I can go ahead and add to, okay? Can add more to the travel section as well. You just click on this and then click on move one pin here. Okay? And it's truly that easy and simple, guys. You can go ahead and improve that even more and keep adding to your vision board.